The HARRTS Fusion X robotic hair transplant machine, pioneering precision in hair restoration. Robotic hair transplantation is a technological leap forward in the field of hair restoration. Traditional methods, while effective, lack the precision and efficiency that robotic systems can offer. Enter the HARRTS FUEsion X, a machine at the forefront of this revolution. The advent of HARRTS Fusion X robotic hair transplant machine, developed with the goal of optimizing hair transplant procedures. The HARRTS Fusion X robotic hair transplant machine combines advanced robotics with artificial intelligence, AI, to enhance the accuracy and success of hair transplants. Technological breakdown. At the heart of the HARRTS Fusion X robotic hair transplant system is a state-of-the-art AI system that analyzes the patient's scalp to determine the optimal placement for each hair follicle. A robotic arm, equipped with a 5-degree freedom range and a high magnification camera, helps the surgeon in extraction and placement with extraordinary precision. The 15-inch touchscreen display allows for real-time monitoring and adjustment, providing surgeons with unprecedented control over the procedure. Operational efficiency. The system's machine talk technology enables surgeons to operate hands-free using voice commands, maintaining asepsis and simplifying the procedure. The two-sided suction-assisted extraction process significantly reduces graft harvestation time, demonstrating the machine's focus on efficiency. Hair Studio simulation. Tool preoperative planning is enhanced by the Hair Studio hair transplant results simulation tool, which offers virtual consultations and results simulations. This helps in determining the number of grafts required and in building trust with patients by visualizing potential outcomes. Safety features. Safety is paramount with the HARRTS Fusion X. It comes with low-speed, high-torque safety handpieces and punches designed to minimize skin trauma and enhance the safety of the graft extraction process. Testimonials and reviews. Surgeons like Dr. Erkin attest to the system's impact, noting its precision, efficiency, and contribution to superior patient outcomes, reflecting the system's transformative potential in the industry. Impact on the hair transplant industry. By significantly improving the accuracy and efficiency of hair transplant procedures, the HARRTS Fusion X is setting new benchmarks in the industry, promising better patient experiences and outcomes. Conclusion. The HARRTS Fusion X stands as a testament to the role of innovation in medical technology. Its blend of robotics, AI, and user-friendly features positions it as a leader in the hair restoration field, marking a new chapter in the evolution of hair transplant surgery.